we're going to share this video with you. We did a bunch of work over 3 days. Not a lot of talking during the work because we had to really focus on the work. So this time we're doing a little recording and then we're going to show you everything. So we hope you enjoy the video. So the goal is we're going to do this in sections. We're going to do a little bit of this area first so we can push the fridge back in here. And then we'll turn around and do that whole section. Just so that the fridge isn't in the way, we've got enough trying to stuff everything into every corner we've got from the kitchen.
What do you want me to do?
Support.
Good job.
Your ass.
What support do you want?
Now one of the tasks we have to do before we overlay the floor in there is get this cabinet up and out of the way. It's in the way. We're going to be taking the new flooring to about right here because where we're going to have the kitchen stop. So I'll tell you, one of the hardest parts about doing a remodel like this is living in it. You're moving things back and forth, this way, that way, every direction, just so you can get to certain things, move things around, repair things, put things back. That's probably the hardest part, living in what you're remodeling. Are you having fun?
Yep.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
So, what?
What?
What's the hardest part for you?
The working and doing it?
So this took us what, like 3 days of work? Everything they watched in one video probably took us about 3 afternoons of getting this done.
Yes.
So it wasn't fast and easy.
No.
None.
No.
Do we ache?
Yes.
A little bit.
A lot of it.
A lot of bit, okay. A lot of bit. A lot of bit. But yeah, no. And I find the hardest part literally having to move everything back and forth, this way, that way, because literally we don't have any lower cabinets. Everything's in totes or containers, just back and forth. I mean, it took you what, like 5 minutes to try and find paper towels last night?
Yeah, I gave up.
Well, we finally got it all down to where we're satisfied. Everything's level. I'm happy. On to the next step.